This is Erin Roy from Professor Duncan's Math 1023 class. So today we are talking about what influences Texas population, and you can see that the question says, based on what you learned about Texas population growth in question 3 and what you read in the Center for Immigration Studies report, describe what factors may play a role in increasing or decreasing growth of the population of Texas in the future. Using specific information for any of all the sources cited in this project, explain what factors aren't addressed in your mathematical model that may influence the growth rate of Texas population. So we're going to go over here to this article, and it says that the main influence of increasing and decreasing population is migration. You can see right here, this highlighted yellow, that migration from international movements and demographic movements will account for a growth of 3 million people over the next 25 years. So that alone shows how much that plays a role in increasing and decreasing influence. Another thing that influences this is education and the job opportunities. Because of so many people moving in and out of Texas, there are having to have an increase of schools, which you can see right here. If we assume that schools on the average have about 650 students, Texas will have to build about 2 schools every week over the next 25 years just to keep up with growth enrollments according to our projections. So that's going to open up a lot of job opportunities for people, so people can come into Texas for the job opportunities. But this also has a negative effect for the competitiveness of jobs as well. The workforce is a very competitive place in Texas, and so that can lead to increasing or decreasing population as well. But what these don't show are the difficult and expensive problems that these face. So some of the things that aren't really shown in mathematical models are the transportation that influences the increasing or decreasing. Because there is such an increase of people, the highway capacity isn't built for that, and so you can see right here, yet inadequate transportation infrastructure stifles economic growth by increasing the cost of moving people and goods from one place to another. So this is going to impact growth rate immensely. And then another thing is the crime rate. So another impact of immigration and population growth is on crime in prisons. You can see that an additional expenditure must be added to school, highway, and other infrastructure constructional costs. So the crime rate is also going to impact this. And so hopefully we answer these questions with correct data, and that is what plays a role in increasing and decreasing population in Texas.